All right, so how you guys doing today? Okay, so we are going to talk about how you can earn unlimited, commissions with the $7 one-page funnel system. Now, why do I call it the $7 one-page funnel system? Because you only need to register with $7 one time. That's all. And you will be a member of the one-page funnel system. But let me tell you what happened yesterday, okay? So yesterday, I think I made over 6 or 7 sales, right? I was just getting sale, and I posted about 4 of them online because I just got tired of posting the number of sales. So I didn't know where it's going to stop, right? So I just posted only 4 so that my account will not, my Facebook account will not be filled up with the same kind of post, right? But if you check all the posts, they are different, right? They have times. You have some sales coming by 10, some coming by 11, some coming by 1 p.m., some coming by 3 p.m. You just have so many of them. And that was yesterday, right? And that's not the first time such things have happened to me, right? So it's not. I have had sales like that in the past, okay? Now, but what is unique about yesterday is what I want to talk about right now. You see, one of these sales, not even one, about 2 of them or so, I didn't make those sales, right? Somebody under me, that is when I promoted, somebody joined the one-page funnel system, and they themselves decided to go and start promoting, right? And they made some of those sales, but I still get a commission. And I'm going to explain how that works, because a lot of people don't know that you can earn what is called secondary affiliate commissions with the one-page funnel system. That is why I respect the one-page funnel system. It is built for you to make a lot of money, even though you are not even the one doing the promotion yourself, right? Even though you didn't get the sale yourself. If somebody under you that you brought in makes that sale, you get a part of the commissions, guys. So I'm going to explain how that works so that you will see why it is in your best interest to bring in as many people as you can. Now, let's talk about what happened yesterday, all right? So now, one of the affiliates under me, who I don't know, because, I promote everywhere and people just get in, right? Now, so one of the affiliates under me made a high ticket sale. And I'm not kidding you guys. He made a sale from the record I checked, I think $499 or so. I think that's going to be about $500 sale, maybe tax and other things, So he made a sale of close to $500, right? Now, and I didn't I've not even made a high ticket sale yet, right? So, but somebody under me made a high ticket sale. Now, when he got that sale, I got a commission, right? Now, I didn't get the 70% commission, which is impossible. He got that one, right? Now, I only got the 10% commission, but look, it was chunky, right? That 10%, I made about $49 without even lifting a finger, right? So you can see why the one-page funnel system is so powerful. Somebody else made a sale of $500 or $499, and while I was sleeping, while I was not doing anything, I still got $49 of that commission. It's powerful, right? Now, how did that happen with a $7 system? It's crazy, right? Now, the reason is what I'm going to tell you right now. When you join the $7 system, it is just $7 for you to get started, right? Now, a lot of people make a big mistake. They did not upgrade into what is called a profit booster. So many of them did not get the profit booster, right? If I can still remember, I don't know whether profit booster should be $49 or $47 one time. So many of them did not get the profit booster. So that's why, let me explain how the profit booster can really make you rich. Now, if you join the one-page funnel system, which is just $7, right? You will now be able to earn 50% commissions, right? So you will earn 50% commission. The company earns the other 50% commission. That's how they make their own money, right? That's if you join at the $7 level. Now, but if you sell a product as high as what was sold yesterday, which is a high ticket product, you will just get only 10%. So the company will keep the remaining 90%, right? So that is the mistake a lot of people are making when they did not get the profit booster. You need the profit booster. Now, if you have the profit booster, one, you will earn 70%. So that person that made that $500 sale, if that person is a profit booster member, that person would have gotten 70%. Now the company will only get 20% and I get 10%. You see how it works out, right? But that is if that person has the profit booster like me. Now, if the person did not have the profit booster, this is how the commission goes. The person will get 10%, the company will get 80%, and I will get 10%. So what you just did, which is a big mistake, is that you just made the company richer. And I always say something. Don't make the company richer, right? Don't do that. Don't ever do that. So if you have bought the one-page funnel system now, and you need the profit booster, so what you want to do, go to the course section. You see where they say course? There's course on when you sign in. There's course, and then there is affiliate, right? Affiliate dashboard. So you go to the course area and then go through the courses. You are going to see somewhere it will ask you to upgrade to the profit booster. Now, try and do that so that you will have that opportunity to earn 70% commissions, right? Now, if you get confused there, you just send a message in the Facebook group, and then the creator is going to give you the link directly, but it's there already. Just go to the course area and go through the courses. Again, you did that before when you joined. Go through the course, and then you're going to see somewhere it's going to ask you to double. It's not even double now. It's almost to boost your profit, right? So you get the profit booster. So that's how that works out. Now, so you now be asking me, but Victor, how come you are getting these 10% commissions over and over and over again from other people's sale? Now, that is the advantage of having the profit booster. So the profit booster, one, allows you to make 70% commissions on every product, whether low ticket, medium ticket, or high ticket, right? Then the second thing it allows you to have is to have secondary sales, secondary commission from your affiliate. That means if you invite somebody into the one-page funnel system and they make a sale, you will continue to get 10% of all their sales. Powerful. Powerful, right? So you can see how exciting the one-page funnel system is. You can see why so many gurus are joining in right now, because they are bringing in a lot of people. And as those people go out to promote, they keep getting 10% of all their sales. How do you like that? So you don't want to miss out on the sales bonanza, right? You can see yesterday I was just like sale, 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 sale. And even though all of them were not made by me directly, I still made those monies. I even made a 10% commission on a high ticket that I did not sell. How do you like that? All right, so let's talk a little bit about the one-page funnel system in case some of you still get confused, right? So the one-page funnel system is a $7 system, right? So you only register for $7. Except those of you who want to make more commissions, then you get the profit booster. That's just the most important upgrade. You don't have to have it, but you will lose a lot of money if you don't have it, right? So a lot of money, and I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. It's a lot of money you're going to lose if you don't have the profit booster. So what you want to do, get the profit booster. That's what I'll say. So now, what is this one-page funnel system? So the one-page funnel system is a CPA marketing system, right? So what is CPA marketing? Knowing what CPA marketing allows you to understand why it's possible for you to make unlimited amount of commissions while you only paid $7, right? Now, CPA marketing is like ClickBank marketing, JVZoo marketing, Warrior Plus marketing. These places, just like have a lot of products, right? Now, you don't have to buy any of those products. All you needed to do is to send customers to those products. That is, you are just promoting your link, and a lot of customers are going to those products. And when they buy any of those products, you make the commission. So this is good. So that's why brand new beginners, this is their best choice. But the one-page funnel system goes further, right? So what they do is this. They do everything for you, right? Literally everything. The only thing you do is to share your link, whether you share it on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. That's all you just do. Just share your link, right? Now, when you share your link, the system takes over, and then it starts following up with your leads, right? And then it starts promoting all these multiple products to your leads every day, literally, right? Even you yourself, you are going to receive some of those emails. Now, whenever any of those your lead decide to buy into any of those products, you make commission. So that is how simple it is. The way the one-page funnel system work. So your only work is to share your link and get a lot of people there, right? Now, I'm going to stop right now. So if you have any question whatsoever about the one-page funnel system, profit booster, whatever question you have, just leave it in the comment below and I will respond to that questions, right? And if you want to join the one-page funnel system right now, it's just $7 one time. There's a link in the description. Go ahead, click that link, or I'm going to leave another link in the comment section. Click that link, get started, right? Now, like I said, if you can, I highly recommend that you get the profit booster. All right? Okay, go ahead. Click that link right now. in the description above. Get started with the one-page funnel system. And like I said again, if you have questions, leave it in the comment below. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.